Hi, welcome back to myCRMSIM. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect HubSpot. First of all, you need to make sure that you have professional plan of HubSpot. It will cost you around $90. Please check the prices on HubSpot official site and go to pricing. After that, you need to go to the integrations from the side menu. And here you need to click on connect. And here I'm going to create my new account. So I'll provide the email address. I'll click continue. I need to verify this email. I'll continue. Here I'm going to set my password. Now I'll click on next. Here I need to provide my first name and last name, and then I need to click on next. Here you can set your designation. Here you can put your website link. As you can see that my account is now created. It will take some time to finalize my account. So I need to go back to myCRMSIM and click on integrations again. It's just a glitch and you need to make sure that you need to click on connect again. It will then pick your account. You need to refresh and make sure that your account is visible. If it's not, just go back to the myCRMSIM and click on connect again in integrations and this account will appear. So I'm using the trial version. So that's why I'm facing this kind of issue. So in your professional account, you won't be facing this kind of issue. Here I'll go to workflows and I will start my 14 days trial in order to make things work. So as you can see that I have started my trial. Now I'll go to companies. Here you need to make sure that only one company exists. If it's not here, you need to create or add a company. You need to create new one or you can import one as well. Now I will choose this account. After that, I need to review all the access and I will agree and will click on connect tab. It will just take some time to finalize the integration. Now I need to verify whether my integration is successful or not. I'll go to integrations and here you can see that it's connected finally. Now I need to go to Subaccount SIM from the side menu and I'll click on connect locations and here I will sync companies. This will sync your HubSpot companies. As you can see that sync is successful and here you can see that my company is visible. I will turn on this toggle. Now it will appear here. Now you can assign any device to it and you can set your message routing as well. So that's it from the integration side of HubSpot. Thank you.